Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very important concept in Revit. Let's continue with the video. So here I have some of the architectural wall and architectural columns, door, then structural column and structural wall and doors and some furniture and some architecture floor. So here today I'm going to explain you discipline property in views. So I am in a view level 1 and here you can see this is my view property. Here you can read level 1, and if you come down here you can see discipline. Now the discipline is set to architecture. When it is set to architecture, here everything is visible, nothing is hiding. I am using a Revit LT. In case if you can use Revit full version, then it is very important to understand how a discipline parameter works with the views. In case if I change discipline to mechanical, then you can see everything is getting half toned, and I can't even select, I can't modify, everything got freezed. In case if I keep this as structure, then architecture wall, it is getting hidden but the doors are visible. That's strange, right? When the wall is hiding, then the door also should be hiding. So these kind of graphics you will be seeing in Revit, so you should know how it works. So discipline, in case if I set to coordination, then everything will be visible clearly. So in case if you are feeling like you are lost or something, before searching with the reveal hidden elements, okay, if something is hidden, right click and I'm going to say hide in element. It is hidden now, okay, this is not hidden by discipline. So I have just selected and hidden. If I select reveal hidden element, it will be show, I can select and I can unhide. In case if you feel like you lost something, then you keep discipline as coordination. So in coordination all the element is going to be visible. Then you select reveal hidden elements. For example, I'm hiding this one, I'm hiding, this is hidden, and I'm going to change the discipline to a structure, okay, and I'm going to switch on the bulb. Here you see the hidden element is not revealing. So you have to keep the discipline as coordination and then search what is hidden. Okay, so that's why it is very important to understand. The many parameters are affecting view properties. So we are going to see one by one. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.